So the question is, when do you use perms and when do you use Pascals? Honestly, when it's something as simple as this first question here, just go out and use the permutations. I mean, think about it. You're going from A to B, there's no overlap. So just count. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 factorial divided by the repeats, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. You're done. I'm not going to write out what the answer is. I'm going to leave that up to you. Look at this one. You're going from A down here to B up here. So what? This is no overlap. So guess what? Just do each one of these separately. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one would be 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Makes sense. This one would be 1, 2 by 1, 2. Total of 4 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Makes sense. Then this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2. So this would be 6 factorial over 4 factorial, 2 factorial, right? Okay? And again, I'm going to leave that up to you. So when you can use a factorial notation, it's a lot faster than Pascal's. But when you have overlap, there's the problem. Now we've got overlap. All right, well, so what? You're going from A to B. Start putting the numbers down. That's 1, 1, 1. That's 1, 1, 1. Got it? Add them together. That's 2. 2 and 1 makes 3. 3 and 1 makes 4. Carry the 4 all the way across because there's no other way. There's no other section that you can go on. Here, okay? No other pathway. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 3, that's going to give you 6. 6 and 4 gives you 10. 10 and 4 is 14. 14 and 4, there's 18 for that one. With me? Okay. 1 and 3 gives me 4. 4 and 6 gives me 10. 10 and 10 gives me 20. Aha, though. Look at this. There's no other pathway, making that a 20 there. Aha. 20 and 14 gives me 34 here. 34 and 18 gives me 52 here. 34 and 20, that gives me, 54 there. And 54 and 52 gives me 106. So there's 106 different ways we can get from A to B in that question. Same thing with D. Look at this. Yes, you do. You have a bit of an overlap there, don't you? Okay. Well, let's go. Here we go. Ready? Okay. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? Okay. 1 and 1. There's 2. 2 and 1. 3. 3 and 1. 4. Oh my goodness, that's too easy. Okay. 1 and 2. 3. 3 and 3. 6. 6 and 4. 10. 1 and 3. 4. 4 and 6. 10. 10 and 10. 20. Now, again, that becomes 20, that becomes 20, that becomes 20. Very important to remember that, okay? That you have all those extra 20 sitting there because there's no other pathways. Okay, 1 and 4 is 5, 5 and 10 is 15, 15 and 20 is 35, and guess what? That makes this 35 now because there's no other pathway. 35 and 20 makes 55 here, 55 and 20 makes 75 here, 75 and 20 makes 95 there. Perfect. Now, here we go. This is 55, right? 55 and 35 makes 90 here. 90 and 75 makes this guy 165. And 165 and 95 make this 260 pathways to get from A to B on that one. Sweet. Okay. Last question. And not only the last question in this section, last question of the unit. Hooray! 50 podcasts later, we're finally there. Let's go from A to B. So this is going backwards now. So what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Go to town. 1 and 1 makes 2. Okay? 2 and 1, that makes you 3. 3 and 1, that's 4. Keep on going. 2 and 1. That gives you 3. 3 and 3, 6. 6 and 4, 10. Okay? Simple. Keep on going. 3 and 1, that's 4. 4 and 6 is 10. 10 and 10 is 20. Look out. That's 20. Making this guy over here 20. Making this guy over here 20, right? Okay, so we're good to go so far. Yes, yes. Let's finish off the bottom. 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 10 is 15. 15 and 20 is 35. Guess what? That goes down to 35 here. Okay, keep on going. 20 and 35 is 75. 20 and 35 is 55. My apologies. 55. Okay, 55 and 20 is 75, which carries the 75 over to here. Neat, hey? Okay, keep on going. 55 and 35, right, give you 90. 90 and 75 here gives you 165 for that one. Oh my goodness. Okay, now 165 and 90 give you, oh, don't forget, you had to carry the 90 down here. Oh, forgot there for a second. 90 and 165 gives you 255 here, but we're missing one here. Yes, the 75 and the 165. That gives you 240 here. Wow. 240 and 255 gives you 495. There's 495 pathways to get to that. So the big moral of the story here, folks, is to figure out, when do you use Pascals? When do you use permutations? The biggest story is if there's any kind of overlap, make sure that you use Pascals. Takes you a while, but it's not bad. Gives you the right answer, doesn't it?